Kawasaki Versys-X 300 2026. The Kawasaki Versys-X 300 2026 comes up with both front and rear disc brakes. This Versys-X 300 2026 bike weighs 175 kilograms and has a fuel tank capacity of 17 liters. Power and performance: max power 38.8 bhp at 11,500 revolutions per minute. 38.8 bhp at 11,500 revolutions per minute. Max torque 26 newton meters at 10,000 revolutions per minute. 26 newton meters at 10,000 revolutions per minute. Get offers: VS Versys-X 300 2026 standard 349,000 rupees. Get offers: AVG X showroom price. Select city. Specifications: power and performance, brakes and wheels, suspensions and chassis. Front suspension, telescopic forks, rear suspension, bottom link uni-track, gas-charged shock, and spring preload adjustability. Bottom link uni-track, gas-charged shock, and spring preload adjustability.